Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel, and the one-on-one videos continue. Today I'm showing you guys how to create the perfect bronzy brown smoky eye, and this is kind of like what we are coming up with today, and I'm going to show you guys how to create it step by step. Before I go ahead and start off this tutorial, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my videos. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys would like to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty you guys, I would need to film this tutorial quite fast today because I forgot to charge my battery for my camera. Smart, isn't it? So I'm just going to go ahead and use my P. Louise primer here. And I'm just going to put that all over my eye. So today I am showing you guys the classic bronzy smoky eye look one-on-one. And obviously I went a little bit crazy. I added the gems, but the gems are always optional. And I'm also using shades that are no longer available. Maybe you can still find them at MAC Cosmetics, something similar. If not, just grab whatever that's similar to like brown tones, copper tones, and gold tones, and you can go ahead and start using them for this look. So first color I'm grabbing is this one right here. This is an old one from MAC. This was the Pro Longwear eyeshadow, and this is called Uninterrupted. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it with a brush here. I'm just roughly cleaning it up, and this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH31, and I'm just grabbing this color and I'm going to be placing it on the crease area, and I'm just gonna place it and blend it into the crease and also in the outer corners. I want to keep this look quite rounded, so I'm not gonna be blending it upwards. And I'm also grabbing this color and I'm putting it on the lower lash line. I am going pretty low with my lower lash line. Again, if you don't like the rough smoky look on the lower lash line, then you can go ahead and make it a little bit higher than mine, all depending on your eye shape and what really works with you, to be honest. But this is how I like to do my look. Any smoky eye look, honestly, I just love to do that. I love to drag down the colors. I feel like it gives it more of a sultry, smoky look, and I kind of prefer it a lot. And I'm just taking a brush that has nothing on it, and I'm just gonna go and blend out the edges, blending them more into kind of like my skin. And I'm just gonna go and apply a little bit more of Uninterrupted. Now I'm taking a color called Saddle from MAC Cosmetics. Now this is a palette that actually came out with all of the colors already in it, and this palette here is called Warm Natural. And I'm just applying Saddle right on top of Uninterrupted. Now I'm grabbing a color called Amber Lights, which I know that they have still, same thing to Saddle. And Amber Lights is just gonna go in the inner corners here, and this is what's gonna help brighten up the eye look a little bit more and bring the shimmer in place. And I have to say, this color was a color of mine that I always used to wear non-stop. I just loved how it really brightened up my eyes, and I used to wear it all the time when I was at MAC. It's unbelievable. And I'm also gonna grab a little bit of that and put it on the tear duct area. But also in the tear duct area, I'm gonna grab this shade right here. This is called Honey Lust, which I know that they still have. And I'm just grabbing a little bit of Honey Lust and putting it on the tear duct area. And this is just a random Coastal Scents brush. Honestly, I don't have the name of it or anything about it. It came in a set. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this color right here. This is called Dance in the Dark. And I'm just gonna go and pack this on the outer corners of my eye and just bring in a little bit more shadowing and a little bit more definition and darkness, just a tiny bit. And this color is really pretty because it's, yeah, it looks dark, but it's not super duper dark. it's just gonna smoke out the look, which is kind of like what I really like in a bronzy smoky eye. And I'm gonna take a little bit more of saddle and I'm gonna be roughing it up on the lower lash line and also on the outer corners right here. Just taking that big brush again, there's nothing on this brush, and I'm just gonna blend the colors outwards. Now to bring in a little bit more shimmer, I'm using this from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the Glitter Liquid Shadow, and this one is in 24K Gold. And I'm just gonna pack this on the inner corners like that. And before it dries, I'm just gonna take a little bit of Amber Lights and I'm gonna start packing it with Amber Lights and just really blending it out. And this is what's gonna really help brighten up that inner corners. Just like that, I'll go ahead and create my wing. I know I'm running out of camera, so I'll do that off camera. And I'll also put some lashes and mascara. The mascara I'm using, it is the Magnet Mascara from Benefit. This is the Real Magnet. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the Mikayla lashes, and these are in Brand New. I'll go ahead and apply all of that and also apply my gems with some lash glue, and I'll be back to do the face makeup with you guys. Okay, you guys, the eyes are done. I'm just gonna go over fast on what I used on my eyes. So for the liquid liner, I went ahead and I used my KVD tattoo liner in Trooper Black, my favorite liquid liner ever, and I extended it in the inner corners and also obviously winged down my eye. I am planning on doing a one-on-one video just for a winged liner, one-on-one winged liner, and I'm gonna basically show you and explain everything in that video. So I am planning on doing that. Also on the waterline, I went ahead and I used a brown pencil. This is from the Sephora brand, Sephora kohl pencil, long-lasting kohl pencil, and this one is called Deep Brown. And obviously the beauties of this video are the contact lenses. These are the Otaku lenses. I'll leave it in the description box down below. They're actually from Billionaire Beauties, and these are in Moonlight, and I love them. So yeah, I just find that really goes well, and I really like the whole look now. So let's go ahead and do the face before my camera dies again, because I did charge it in the meantime. So I'm gonna be going in with the Too Faced bronzer. I do have a MAC bronzer, even though I kind of want to keep it MAC. I will be using this a little bit, but I'm just gonna add this as kind of like a background shade. And this is the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer in Soleil. Soleil bronzer, that's what they call them, I think. And I'm just gonna go and contour my face with this. I kind of feel like Billie Eilish with these eyes, and I love it. And I was just listening to Billie Eilish too. I'll take a little bit of this bronzer. This is from MAC. This is called and this one is bronze. And I'm just going to enhance a little bit my face with this. It is a little bit darker than the Too Faced one, so I'm just gonna go and enhance a little bit my contour with this. And I'm also gonna go in with my Shade and Light palette from KVD Beauty. I'm using the color in the middle, ShadowPlay and Subconscious, and just to really chisel up my contour a little bit more. Going to take a little bit of the AirBrush from Charlotte Tilbury. This one here is in Fair. The reason why I have it in Fair, because for me it's like the perfect buffer product to really buff in the contour into my skin and make it look a little bit more natural. For blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use Margin from MAC Cosmetics. I used to wear this all the time. This one here and Peaches. I don't know if you guys know Peaches, but Peaches was like also my shade, but these two were like, I used to also mix them together most of the time. I just love this blush. It's so pretty. Honestly, like I would still buy it till now. It's like the best color ever. I'm also gonna put a little bit on my nose because why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my face. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution and Friends. This is the Phoebe one. This is the Brightening Fixing Spray. Who saw, which I really want, let me know if you guys want me to, who saw the Makeup Revolution and Powerpuff Girls collection. I want it so bad. I am trying to control myself to not get that collection, but I really want it because Powerpuff Girls was like my childhood cartoon and I used to watch it all the time with my brother, like binge watching Powerpuff Girls like non-stop. So I'm gonna let that set for a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm just gonna add my beauty marks. I'm using the MAC brow marker. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Mikayla and Glamlite highlight because honestly, your girl is obsessed with this highlighter. It is literally everything. And I'm just going to go and pat that on my face. Look at that. Holy macaroni. I think I'm just going to enhance my beauty marks again because this covered them up. You really don't need much with this highlighter because a little bit literally goes a long way. So for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use Hover Lip Liner from MAC. As you guys all know, this is my top favorite liner ever. I know MAC now is sold at Sephora, but this one here, you can't find it at the Sephora website or stores, I believe. You can only find it at the MAC stores or pro stores or counters as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that and line my whole lips with this. And then for lipstick, I actually got this new from MAC. This is the Powder Kiss lipstick in Teddy 2.0. And it looks like that. Apparently the Powder Kisses are good for blushes and also for lips. But obviously, I'm going to be putting it on my lips. And I do want to try it on my cheeks one day. But for now, this color is nice. But for now, I'm just going to put it on my lips. I have to say this, MAC has the best lipsticks ever. So that is the finished look. Let me go ahead and fix up my hair and put a nice top on and I'll be back to finish up this video with you guys. Alrighty you guys, this is the finished look. I know you've seen me in this top before, but honestly I really wanted to match my makeup and this is the only top that I have that is quite similar to my makeup. Honestly, I don't care. Like always, everything's going to be listed down below in the description for you guys. Everything's going to be down there if you're curious about certain products that I used on my face. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't be shy to leave them all in the comments down below and I will try my best to get to each and one of you guys. On that note, I need to go ahead and prepare my house for my guest that's coming this evening for a little chill out and just having fun and eating and just enjoying the night with the family. Thank you all so much for watching and I will talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.